Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple Watch Ultra, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Apple Watch Ultra, begin by ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Next, power on your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once the watch is on, select your language and region from the on-screen options. Now, bring your iPhone close to your Apple Watch. A message will appear on your iPhone prompting you to start the pairing process. Tap on Continue to begin pairing. An animation will display on the Apple Watch. On your iPhone, tap Set up Apple Watch. You may need to enter your Apple ID credentials if prompted. Now, align the camera on your iPhone with the animation on your Apple Watch. Once the watches are paired, select whether to set it up for yourself or a family member. From there, you can choose to restore from a backup or set up as new. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your Apple ID if needed. Next, choose your wrist preference, indicating whether you'll wear it on your left or right wrist. You'll then have the option to enable features like activity tracking and heart rate monitoring. Set up a passcode for security, or choose to skip this step. Now, you can select which apps to install on your Apple Watch. You may also choose to enable notifications from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. Finally, take a moment to explore the settings on your Apple Watch. Your Apple Watch Ultra is now fully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.